Here I have FOSSIBOT F101, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, I believe. So you can find it here, I suppose. You have to remove this cover here. Here we can see this slot. So what you do is you take this tool and put it inside this little hole. Slightly press it, then it pops out. Then with the help of this tool too, you slightly hatch it and you can pull it out. And it's finally out. So here you insert SD card and here you insert SIM card. And then put it back into device. Just like this. So as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And there's also nothing saying about the SD card, so let's check it out. Let's go to some kind of like files or something. Or I can go to storage section and show you that SD card appeared here. Yeah. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.